I will take a text. To add a text into our design, I will align it into the center. So let's use the pattern stem into that text. We can write anything there and create any designs here. We can explore the shapes. So these are the layer styles we are using to create these unique designs. Finding the shapes here, use an eraser tool. Here we have. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it.